get why my fucking board flips.
Alright guys, it is 5:50 in the morning. I didn't get to bed until like 1 last night, so yeah, I'm not running off much sleep. I didn't get off work until like 10:30 last night, and then I got home, showered, and was just kind of chilling till I fell asleep around 1. And now I'm heading to pick up my friend Harvey that you guys saw in a couple videos ago. I gotta pick him up and take him back to the airport so that he can get back to the Marine Corps. Currently very tired and on my way to grab him, but I think I'm gonna try and go skate after that. So yeah, it's been a couple days and I need to get out there and keep skating. So all right, we dropped Harv off. Now we're gonna go skate. Damn, my windshield is dirty as hell. I gotta wash that. Bye, airport. We made it to the church. I gotta pee really bad, but anyways, I got new trucks. Guys, I've been saying I want new trucks for a while because my bushings have been blown out. So yeah, we finally got a new pair of independent trucks. So we're gonna get a little early morning truck swap over and then skate them out, and hopefully they feel so much better than my other ones. So I gotta pee, so I'm gonna go do that, and then we'll get inside the park and set this thing up. Dude, it is already so hot outside. God. All right, let's see here. The bag. I got another tall tripod. Damn, this trunk is a mess. All right, you guys, don't look at that. It's all good. Don't look at that. We're gonna grab this guy right here. Damn, look at that. Big old pressure crack. I love him. All right, let's go try and find a bathroom. I think there's one over here. Oh, they're locked, no way. Bro, I gotta pee. Maybe there's ones on this side that are unlocked. Oh, hell no. That's crazy. Hopefully someone unlocks it soon. Damn, that really sucks. I hope someone unlocks that because I gotta pee. I had a whole Red Bull, some water. Damn. All right, you guys, I'll catch you in there. All right, I'm gonna do some stuff on the old trucks real quick, and then I'm gonna put the new ones on and see how different it feels. All right, I'm gonna swap trucks now. All right, here we go. That's what we're working with. New pair of Indies. Let's get all these stickers off. I'm super excited to see how these trucks feel, because all I've been skating are these like Baker, the ones that came on the Baker Complete. So I actually have a real truck brand now. Last like actual pair of trucks I had was like a pair of Ventures when I was like 14 or 15. So yeah, geez, how many stickers did they put on this thing? There's someone else's board and stuff on the other side of the park. So I don't know, maybe someone will come out and skate soon. So it's been about 2 months since I stopped drinking and just started skating and filming these videos. And it was getting pretty bad. Those of you that have been watching my videos know that I've talked about it before. I used to just get off work and go buy like a 12 pack or 18 pack and drink like pretty much the whole thing after work. And that would be my cycle throughout the week. You know, I just got so sick of doing that. And now we are 2 months in of changing my life and focusing on just doing healthy things, skateboarding and YouTube especially. I believe it's helped me out tremendously just to give my mind something to focus on. Dude, this sticker is like, okay, whatever. It's going on with the sticker, guys. I don't care. But yeah, I feel tremendously better. You know, like I've said before, it's still a battle every day, you know, but you just keep your mind focused on what you really want. And, you know, you can make it happen. So I believe in you guys, and whatever battle you're facing, just keep on pushing and know that you got the strength to do whatever you want. So, a little motivation for you guys. I don't know. I need to get an actual skate tool. All I have is this and a screwdriver. So yeah, we got some new trucks today, and I'm excited about it, because I've been wanting them for a while. Okay, trucks are finally on. I gotta get the wheels on. I'm gonna go with the wheel graphics on the inside. Just keep it white.
Sorry.
All right, guys, I think we're finally done. I'm all dirty. Let's get this stuff cleaned up, and then let's do the first stand on the new trucks. All right. Probably gonna have to tighten them back up, but let's see how it feels. All right, so we definitely got to tighten a little bit. I don't like my truck super loose, so Let's give them a couple more turns. Let's see how that feels. Got to go a little tighter. They feel good though. I don't know, guys, I think I need to go a little tighter. Maybe I need to upgrade to some hard bushings as well. I want to go like a half a turn tighter. I will say, they feel a hell of a lot better than the Bakers. All right. So I think that's how we're gonna skate it today. I'm gonna get some hard bushings though, I think. I don't get it, dude. I tighten these things up so much and then it blows my bushings out and they're not like, they don't feel solid. I still get wheel bite. They're tight as hell. I need to get some hard bushings, I guess, like. And now when I do my pop shove it, my board flips with these trucks. I have no idea why. But man, it's so frustrating. I don't get it. I gotta tie my shoe because it's all messed up, but I really thought these trucks were gonna help me, but it just feels like everything is all messed up. Like, I don't know if I should tighten my bushings more or tighten my trucks more. Like Indy straight out the box, you should be able to tighten pretty tight, right? Like, I don't know. Let me give it 2 more turns. See if it feels any better. I'm just getting wheel bite at this point. See what happens. Feels a little better. See, I don't get why my fucking board flips. Never flipped before, and now all of a sudden it just wants to fucking flip. All right, so I think I'm getting used to them actually. They feel pretty good. And I kinda wanna ollie up this little 2-step, but I still really gotta pee, so I don't know. Let's see if we can do it before I pee myself. We did it. Little first tee up the 2-stair. Oh, I wish I had the courage to go down it. You know, maybe I should try and ollie it. Should we try and ollie down it? Oh, man. Okay. Here, hold on. I hope I don't hurt myself right here. Let's see, right there. Maybe not. Let's go right there. Oh my God. You guys, I cannot keep doing this with this phone. This technology is pissing me off, dude. I have 0 storage space. I landed it off the 2-stair and my phone stops recording. So now I have to reset it up and do it again because my storage was full. I need a solution to this, guys. I need a new camera. I need to stop recording off this phone because this is like, oh, it's so frustrating and I'm so sick of it, dude. So anyways, let me get this 2-stair again for you guys. All right, there we go. Was that recording? Did I get that one? All right. Okay, we're good. Bro, that is just so annoying. Like, every time I go out and film, I run out of storage. I have to like completely delete everything off my phone just to get the video in. And then I got to go edit it and then export it back to my phone, which takes up more space. It's just so frustrating. Like, I could do it on my computer, and with my GoPro, I can film that too. But it's just so much easier to edit everything and put it all together from my phone. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to start filming with the GoPro and editing on the computer because I don't know. It's just gonna be more reliable, I think. It's gonna take a little bit longer to do stuff and get videos up, but I don't know. I think it's gonna be better for me, but we'll do it with the phone today and see what I can work out. But I don't know. I want to do a heel flip though, so I'm gonna try and get a clean heel flip. Here we go. Damn, I popped that one. Oh. All right. Still don't got the heel flips yet. I want to skate something that I could skate off of. Either this ledge right here or that little one over there that I usually skate. Damn, I still haven't went pee either. They're lacking on those bathrooms, man. Okay. Let's head over to that little drop over there. All right, well, I don't think they're gonna unlock these at any time soon, so I had to come over and check again though, because I got a freaking piss, man. I gotta go to one of those trees over there. It's crazy. Bro, like, this is bad. I really gotta pee. Like, I'm gonna have to cut this video short because I have to go pee. And I have like an hour drive home. Bro, I was not counting on this bathroom to be closed today. Come on, guys. Oh man, this ain't good. All right, so I just went pee behind that tree right there, actually. I had to sprint across this parking lot, dude. The bathroom was closed. I was gonna hop in my car and leave, but like, dude, I could not make it home an hour and the bathroom's closed. I had no idea what to do. So forgive me, guys. I had to pee behind that tree over there. But now I can skate that little ledge that I wanted to skate and I don't have to go home, so. Woo! second try kickflip off that. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, I want to watch that real quick. Okay, well, maybe it was my third try. I just looked over the footage. So now we got to try the shove it off of here. Oh yeah, I still don't have the shove-its on these trucks, man. They like make my board flip weird. Oh, I just hit my shin, so I'm not gonna try the shove-it. Oh, why'd I do that? I should have ended on the kickflip note. Oh, man. Oh my God. Dude, I hate shinners so bad, and I get them so much. Oh. Oh. Whew. Oh man, it took away all the joy from that kickflip off of that. Oh, all I feel is the shin now. No happiness from the kickflip off that. Oh, it was still really cool though. I'm proud of that. Second or third try. Oh my God. Oh, guys, I'm bleeding. I don't know if you can see that real good, but dude, that messed me up. Whew. Dang, I look sweaty as hell. Oh, okay. Oh, I gotta walk this shinner off and then. Trying to think if there's anything else I can do. I really need to work with these trucks though and go skate some flat ground down at the park near my house and just really practice these flat ground tricks and get them dialed in. Oh man. Because I got to step my game up here, man. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm doing pretty good on progression, though. I mean, I'm happy. I just feel like I should have heel flips down a little better. I should have varial kick flips down. Oh, my gosh. I just don't practice them enough. And I really want to have tray flips down. But, yeah, I feel like that's going to be a minute, though. I think I'm going to work on... yeah, just getting all my flat ground tricks that I want, like work on, get my 360 shove-its and my regular shove-its all good. I want to learn heel flips better. My foot positioning mainly, because I feel like that's my main issue. I'm always switching my foot position up on it, and they're never consistent. So the kick flips, that has just been a wild ride. Like, with my Baker board, I felt like I had those down consistently. I could pop them, catch them, and like I felt really good with them. And then I got this anti-hero deck, and that threw everything off. My kick flips felt like just all screwed up. And then now I got these new trucks, and I don't know. I'm starting to like them. They're starting to grow on me. I just got to skate them more. They're definitely way better than the old piece of crap Bakers that I had. So, yeah, I think that's going to be it, guys. I don't know what else I'm going to skate right now, but wanted to get out here, film a video with the new trucks. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. My next video, I'm not sure what we're going to do, but I don't know. I think I'm going to film one more video this week. Probably either tomorrow or the next day. I'll film and post it, so I don't know. Keep an eye out for that. Anyways, guys, I think I'm going to call it here. I'm pretty tired and my shin hurts. Thank you guys for watching these videos. If you're new, subscribe. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one.